Welcome student. Today we are going to solve exercise of three visions for India. Here first question is complete Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's profile with the information picked from the lessons. Profile Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Title Three Visions for India. Profession Scientist. Branch of Science DRDO and ISRO. DRDO means Defense Research and Development Organization and ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Next point, important position in government held Rashtrapati. Next, his three visions for India. Here, first vision is freedom, second vision is development, and third vision is standing up. Next question, using a dictionary or internet, note down the main differences between a developing nation and a developed nation. First point, a developing nation. Developing nations are generally categorized as countries that are less industrialized and have lower per capita income levels. Developed nation. Developed nations are generally categorized as countries that are more industrialized and have lower per capita income level. B. Self-reliant and self-assured. First point is you are self-reliant means that you are really on your own powers and resources and not on others for the same. Self-assured. A person is self-assured means that a person is confident about his own abilities or character. C. Our strength and our achievements. Our strength. Our strength are those in which we are good at talent. Our achievement. Our achievements are those in which thoughts even we are not good at we work hard and give our to achieve it. D. Farm and granary. A farm is a piece of land where livestock are raised and the crop is growth for use of food, fiber and fuel. Granary. First point is granary on other hand is a storehouse of the threshed grain. Granaries are often built at a bit higher level above the ground to keep the store food away from the mice and other animals. E. A remote sensing satellite and a natural satellite. First point is remote sensing satellites. The kind of devices that is used to get the information of the object at a certain distance based on the information. First point is natural satellite. Doesn't do such kinds of work, it just used to revolve around the planets and cause nothing others than tides, which means that the remote sensing. Next question, find evidence from the lesson and write in your own word. Here first evidence is Indians respect the freedom of others. Its evidence is India is a secular and democratic country in which people are free to follow any religion, speak any language and other things. Next evidence B. It is time to see ourselves as a developed nation. Our India is developing country and we have to develop it. So for that we have to complete these three visions. Next evidence, we Indians are obsessed with foreign things. Its evidence is foreign interest leading people to believe you means foreign culture and things associated with it. Next evidence D. In Israel, the media have position, outlook and self-respect. Its evidence is the Israel culture that is the traditional and pre-exciting since ancient times. Next evidence E. India has many amazing success stories. Its evidence is India has been a popular place for trade and many countries came to India for trade but conquered it. Thank you.